I'm out here in the garage again this morning, and if you don't know by now, my name is Zippy. I've got the, I got the poor old Chevelle 51 Henry J all bagged up and dormant. Had to give it a shot of Thorazine, put it to sleep for a while. Everything's pretty much done. I'm just waiting for some good weather where I can get a decent paint job on that body, and so that's kind of by the wayside for right now. But I was over at a fella's channel. His name is Terry Wilson, and this guy does some awesome work over there. You need to go visit his channel. I'll put a link down below to his channel, and y'all check it out. But anyway, he's built a 55 Chevy, this one here, the AMT kit, and he also used the AMT 67 Chevelle Pro Street. Did a little kit bashing, and he says that frame and floor pan fits underneath this 55 Chevy almost like it was made for it. So, boy, I'm gonna tell you what, that got the wheels a turn. So I just happen to have that 67 Chevelle Pro Street frame and the engine and everything just sitting there. That's because it's got a nice looking big block in it. But anyway, that pan, boy, I'll tell you, if it fits up underneath there and it looks like what he built, man, it just looks awesome. So I also have this AMT 66 Chevy Nova Pro Street, and I have the pan and everything for it. It's all tubbed out, and I've been looking for a project for it. I did my 56 Ford Foose truck. If y'all remember, been watching my channel, I tubbed that one out and put the slicks and everything, the wheels and tires, out of this Chevelle kit in that 56 Ford. So I don't have the wheels and tires for this. I'll have to get something, but I'm just that 55 with this tubbed out frame and chassis, man, I think his looks awesome. So like I said, that's got the wheels turning in my head, and you know, when you do the whole floor pan, not much cutting, if any at all. He says pretty much like it was made for it, so it may not be very much at all. So I haven't opened this 55 Chevy up yet, so it's still bad weather. Here it is, getting into late February, and we still got bad weather, so I'm just itching for an early spring so I can get after it. But this is going to be a project coming up pretty soon, because boy, I like these tubbed out Pro Street vehicles. Especially if that'll make right up with no issues. So I'm kind of looking forward to that. But I'm looking for a project for this pan here, this frame pan. It's got a nice chassis, and I do have the wheels and tires for that one back here. So now they're not white leather like the Chevelle is, but there's some pretty nice wheels and tires. So I do have those. So, like I said, looking for a project for this one. If y'all know of a good project where this 66 Chevy chassis and floor pan will almost made up underneath it without a whole lot of issues, because I'm not much of a fabricator, so I just don't have the patience for it. So something that chassis and pan will slip up under fairly easy, leave me a comment, let me know, and I'll check into it. But from what Terry Wilson says about this 67 Chevelle slipping underneath that 55 with no issues, I can't wait for this one. So that's going to be something down the pipeline. So just wanted to give a little update where I'm at. And like I said, the Henry J is kind of in mothballs right now, sorry to say, but I'll get after it when I get some decent weather. And I did listen to some of your guys' comments, about spray booths. I really don't want, I've got my garage dialed up pretty good here, I like it. I keep it clean, and I didn't want any overspray anywhere, even though these are spray booths and they have the fans on them. Yeah, you're still going to get overspray outside of that. But I just don't want to get overspray on my 49. I just cleaned it up this morning. My wife and I are going to take it out for a run. It's supposed to get up to about 55 today, but I just don't want to get any more overspray on this. I've already got a lot on it, and I had to run a clay bar over it a couple times, the whole body, to get that off, and I really don't want to get any more overspray on this. And that was from stepping outside my back door of my garage, going out in the yard and spraying, and I guess the wind brought it back in through the door and got it on the truck. So, but anyway, I am checking into it because you guys, like you guys told me, to put a cover on it or back it out of the garage, and then I can, I guess I could hook that spray booth up right there and vent it out that window right there, and then when I get done, box it up, bring the truck back in, and be good to go. But anyway, because I really want to get to working on my paint job, because spraying outside in that hot sun and the wind, I just think that I could do a better job if I had a spray booth and had it a little bit more under control. So anyway, I'm looking into it, some of the suggestions you guys made, so don't think that I'm not looking at it. I appreciate all the comments and all the subscriptions to my channel, and I do read everybody's, and I pretty much get back to everybody as quick as I can. So keep watching the channel, and I'll keep pumping out the videos. That's it, man.